guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making Rice Krispie treats with protein powder in them. I've never done this before. I've actually never made Rice Krispie treats before either. So this could turn out pretty bad, but I'm going to do my best. And with your support, I'm sure it'll be okay. I wrote down the recipe old school, like I can't even read that. Instead of using brown rice cereal, I'm going to use Kashi Cereal because it also has protein in it, 12 grams of protein per serving. I'm going to use this. And then instead of butter, we're going to use coconut oil. And then the Fruity Pebbles protein powder. Let me go get that. Here it is. So this could get tricky because I'm going to try to cook and record at the same time. So, step 1. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, maybe more, I don't know, we'll start with 2. Mistake number 1, don't keep your coconut oil stored in the refrigerator because it's super hard and hard to get out the amount that you need. I don't even know if I should be measuring at this point. Put this in there. It does taste like Fruity Pebbles, but I think we gotta bake it, so before I get too excited. Never mind. Apparently you don't need to bake them. They will be going in the refrigerator now. So, now I'm going to be making chocolate peanut butter Rice Krispie treats. Instead of using brown rice cereal, I don't even know what brown rice cereal is. I'm going to use this, Suzie's Thin Puffed Cakes. They're really low in calorie and they have quinoa and flaxseed and buckwheat and a whole lot of natural grains, ancient grains, whatever you call them in there. So I'm going to crush these up because I think I need 3 cups of them. I guess I should just crush it. Probably could have done this an easier way. Alright, so I'm going to be using this almond butter. So I'm going to keep 2/3 cups in this pan. The pan's a little dirty from the marshmallows I just cooked. And then the recipe that I found calls for honey, but I don't want to add too much, like too many calories. So I'm going to use the sugar-free syrup, the rest of it, and hope that it turns out decent. Let's see. Oh!
How old is that peanut butter?
Not old. Cat food. So I just squirted in some syrup, but I think I might put too much. Plan is to just add a little honey just for the consistency, because I think that they have you put honey in it for a reason. So I'm just going to put a tiny bit. I'm just going to be eyeballing everything, so bear with me. Just a little bit. So now I'm going to dump in this chocolate protein powder. This is 1 serving. I got a sample of it, so. It's getting a little dry. I'm going to add in the brown rice now. Oops. Alright, so it's a little too tough for me to mix it all very well. So some of it has a little more peanut butter and chocolate on it than the others. But we'll see. We're gonna pop it in the fridge. Woo! And now we wait. Whew! Got it. So these were a little bit hard. They were pretty crunchy. They still had a good flavor, but they were hard for some reason, but they were still good. As you can see here, I'm struggling a little bit trying to cut these things, but still worth making them, just for fun, you know. Well, this is made with actual marshmallow, but it still has the Fruity Pebble protein powder in there, which really makes it taste like a Rice Krispie treat, like a Fruity Pebble one. Protein powder Rice Krispie treats, made by me. This one looks a little funky because I used that Suzie's organic rice. I don't even know, should I cut it like pie? It's definitely a lot softer. I'm just gonna eat a little sliver because I'm going to bed soon. I don't want cavities. Not bad. Doesn't really taste like a Rice Krispie treat, but it's not a bad flavor. It just does not taste like a Rice Krispie treat. So this one tastes more like something you would eat for breakfast. The texture is a whole lot softer. It definitely tastes like something, like a Quaker Oats maybe. Fiance likes this one better. He tried it, he approves of this one over the marshmallow one. So I guess I didn't do too bad. It might not be the prettiest thing in the world, but they both came out edible. So that's a win. Thanks for watching my channel, guys. Hope you have an amazing weekend or Christmas whenever this video comes out. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Thanks so much. Bye.